Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make highlights public on Instagram. First, it's crucial to ensure your Instagram account is public. If your profile is private, only your approved followers can see your highlights, even if you intend them to be public. Navigate to your Settings and Privacy menu, then select Account Privacy and toggle the Private Account option off. This foundational step ensures your highlights can reach a broader audience. Once your account is public, creating a highlight is straightforward. Go to your profile and tap the large plus icon labeled New under your bio. This will open your archived stories. Select all the stories you want to feature in your new highlight. After choosing, tap Next and then give your highlight a compelling title, perhaps using 1 or 2 descriptive words. Finally, tap Add to publish it to your profile. If you have an existing highlight and want to confirm its public status, simply go to your profile. Tap and hold the highlight you wish to check. A menu will appear. Select Edit Highlight. Within the editing screen, ensure that the visibility setting is set to Public or Everyone. This confirms that anyone visiting your profile, whether they follow you or not, can view your curated stories. After creating or adjusting your highlight, it's ready for a wider audience. You can share your new highlight directly to your story to announce it. For verification, ask a friend who doesn't follow you to check if they can see it on your profile. Public highlights are a fantastic way to showcase your best content, potentially reaching hundreds or even thousands of new viewers, boosting your profile's engagement and visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.